Viewers, I am Dr. Farrington, Homeopathic consultant. Welcome to my Homeopathic medicine channel. Today I shall describe about Revolution of Homeopathy Series 2 by Dr. M.L. Sehgal. Viewers, we know sulfur has a sensation of mind, delusion, thin he is getting. Thuja has a sensation of thin body, mind delusion, thin body is. Thuja feels that body thin and it can break into pieces. Another almost similar to the foregoing is of mind, delusion getting dissolved or eroded. Sehgal said, it is come up in my personal clinical experience. The thinning of sulfur is getting related to something material or something physical, for example flesh and bone, whereas the thinning of Thuja refers to the sensation of hollowness or softness, and that is continuous erosions, the general vitality. It can break and go to pieces symbolically even with a whiff of wind, or is in the process of dissolution with passage of time, and if is a lump of clay is kept in the following stream of water. He feels that he is gradually heading towards his gap. He will and will not live long. There is no immediate danger of death, but sometimes keep reminding him that he is not going to live any longer, but he does not feel much concerned about it because somewhere he wishes for death. Thuja is why he does not tell you about this feeling. It is seldom that he speaks to you about it because in a general way the remaining as if in a state of mind stupefaction and does not know where he is preciously and what exactly he must tell you. Sometimes he admits that he hesitates to come to you because he feels he does not know what to tell you about himself. Patient version number 1. Patient, there is a problem with me. It is that I cannot answer your question. I does not know what to tell you. That is why I feel I am not fit for homeopathic treatment. Rubric, answering question does not answer when. Number 2, practical indication of Thuja commonly coming to use. Patient number 1, a woman with 4 or 5 month pregnancy says, I have a snake and not a human fetus in my womb. This idea always occupied my mind and frightens me that some evil may be fall upon me. The version covered 2 rubrics. Number 1, mind delusion, animal, abdomen are in. Number 2, fear, evil, fear of. If we do repetization, the medicine is Thuja. Patient number 2, I have gone thinner and lighter in the weight, but I am not worried about it. Sometimes I wish I should die. The version covered 2 rubrics. Number 1, mind delusion thin body is. Number 2, mind delusion body lighter than air body is. If we do repetization, the medicine is Thuja. Patient number 3, patient death desire. I feel as I being covered from within and my end is not too far, perhaps is always here. This version covered 3 rubrics. Mind delusion body is eroded from within. Number 2, mind delusion die, thought he was about to. Number 3, mind delusion die, time has come to. If we do repetization, the medicine is Thuja. Patient number 4, I feel as if I diminished and become too thin. The version covered 1 rubric. Mind delusion diminished, thin he is, 2. If we do repetization, the medicine is Thuja. Patient number 5, patient version, I don't feel my attraction towards opposite sex. This version covered 1 rubric. Mind indifferent, sex to opposite. This 1 rubric covered this version and it predominating will be indicate of Thuja. Patient version 6, I cannot understand what to tell about my sickness because it is beyond of my comprehensions except for one thing about which clear is that I am thin. This version covered 3 rubrics. Number 1, mind stupefaction, knows not where he is. Number 2, mind delusion, thin body is. If we do repetization, the medicine is Thuja. Patient version 6, while he speaks, he loses the thread conversation, failing in his attempt to recover, it is become irritable. Perhaps this agitation enables him to recover his thought. Then he feels as if his mental strength has increased, but no sooner does not he succeed in expressing an idea. The flow of his thought stops and he decides to give up thinking any further. This version covered 6 rubrics. Number 1, mind thoughts vanishing of speaking while. Number 2, mind forgetful towards while speaking of. Number 3, mind irritability still during. Number 4, mind ideas abundant with during. Number 5, mind strength mental increase. Number 6, mind quiet disposition delivery after, or mind quiet disposition perturbation after. If we do repetization, the medicine is Thuja. Viewers, thank you for watching my video. For regular update, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.